When we watch good skiers, it looks really easy, and one thing they're really good at is to make sure that the relationship between where you balance from, your centre of mass, and your feet is right all the time. It's in harmony. A really good drill to test that out is to finish your turns on your uphill ski and lift the tip of your downhill ski off the snow, and your centre of mass moves back a little bit. To go into the new turn, you push the tip down onto the ground as you move your centre of mass forwards over your skis, and off you go. Let's give it a try. Okay, let's have a look at Ewan coming down towards the camera. Off you go, Ewan. It's great watching how his centre of mass, the bit around his belly button, moves back at the end of the turn and then forwards into the new turn